Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. First of all, I wanted to throw an apology out there for the lack of burn this week. I just didn't have time to get anything going. Yesterday I went and got a whole load of firewood, a whole truckload. And then today, this morning, basically I slept in, didn't mean to, but I did. And then I went out and had to unload the whole truck, stack it, and then move some wood from the back porch that I didn't want to put in my fireplace into the truck to take tomorrow. And tomorrow, Friday, I'm going to be going on a 3-day, 2-night overnighter with the Pacific Northwest hammock group. Except I'm not taking a hammock, I'm going to do something special. So there's that. So I'm kind of time crunched. In fact, as this video will be rendering, I'm going to be in the shower to go. I'm going to go to the store and stuff and do what I got to do today. So tomorrow morning all I got to do is get my stuff together, load the truck, hit the road, and then come home Sunday. So should be fun. I went last year, Diablo Lake. I might link it below so you can check it out if you missed it. That was a year ago. It was a lot of fun. So in fact, it was so much fun I didn't really shoot much video. So alright, let's get to the shout out this week. Oh, and I want to throw a special thanks to Mike DiFazio. He's been watching a lot of my older videos, so I really appreciate that, brother. I do. Also, Anchor 440. I'll link their channels below. Anchor 440 has been watching a lot of my videos for a long time, but he actually goes back and watches the older stuff, so I want to throw a shout out to him. And I also want to throw a shout out to Through Failure We Succeed. I was watching his videos, I really like his stuff, but he didn't have a lot of subs, and he doesn't have a lot of views, so I thought maybe you guys would, if you're looking for content, go over and give him a check, and let's get the channel shout out going. Alrighty. Get the pre-sort. Wow. I'm not doing that many. See if we can get one. Oh. Now we'll do a double shout out today. What the heck? So we have Bushcrafters of Michigan. I'm really behind in his videos. I need to catch up. Of course, I'll be behind all weekend again. And then, oh, I think I already did one for him, but Muskrat Jim. Well, I guess extra shout out for Muskrat Jim. Awesome guy. Show you a sticker because I have one from him. Let's see. I got to really zoom it in. Maybe a little hard to see, but here's a Muskrat Jim. Both his stickers, Carolina or Calizona Outdoors. Wow, brain fart. Nicholson Family Homestead, Cat in the North, Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures, Ryan, Shalissa Shell, Ronty Sawyer, Chris's Variety Channel, Joseph Brussel, Black and White Fire Starter, Shalissa Shell again, just barely squeaking in right here, Judy and Spirit. So, surrounded by some cool peeps. If you check the comment section, you'll probably see a lot of them listed. Alright,